Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky Start, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'm gonna share with you how I dry my herbs using the dehydrator. So I'm gonna start by harvesting spearmint right from the bottom. Yes, so let's get started.
His name on high. Thank you, Jesus.
So we're done with the harvesting, and now let's go to the chia spinach tree. This is a very healthy spinach. I like to use it to color my soap.
I praise your name, I lift your name, my God. I praise your name, I lift your name, my God. You're my only one, my number one, my only one.
So now this is our moringa tree, and we're gonna harvest some too. I also am planning to make a moringa soap soon. Let's get started.
I praise the name, oh Lord, my strength. You give me joy, you give me hope, and your love is eternity. The King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the Light of the world.
I praise your name, my God.
So this is my dehydrator. Somebody just gave it to me as a gift, so I'm gonna use this to dry my herbs. So let's now start to arrange the herbs, and I'm gonna start with the chia spinach. I wish I had trimmed off these stems, but I don't have time to do that now. I just want to see if it's gonna dry even with these stems, but it's like I'm even having difficulty arranging them because the stems are just making it difficult for the leaves to lay flat. Yeah, I just want to experiment and see if I lay it like that, how long it will take to dry. Yeah, so let me just see what happens.
Holy One, you are worthy, oh God. I bow to you. You've taken all my sins.
Next is the moringa. Yeah, make sure the leaves are washed and dry. Yep.
My God, we praise your name. I praise your name. I thank you, Jesus. My God, thank you, Father. Holy One, thank you, Jesus. Number one, thank you, Father. Holy One, praise your name.
So now we're done arranging our herbs, and let's switch it on. I'm going to use the setting before the last to dry them. Yeah, as you can see right there. Yeah, so let's wait and see what happens. Yeah, a few hours later, the spearmint is dry. Yes, it is dry. So I'm going to just take it off from the dehydrator there. Yeah, it is dry, and I didn't have a lot of it. So let me check the moringa. The moringa is dry too. This, despite having so much moringa, it's dry. Oh, not the chaya spinach. It's far from dry. I guess it's because of the stems. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it and give it a few more hours to see how it turns out. Yeah, and after many hours, this 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 chaya spinach is not dry. So let me space it. Let me just space it, so see what happens.
This is the quantity we've been waiting for. Ultimate Vibes Music Production.
Well, I just had to dry this chaya spinach the old way, and it's dry. Look at that. Yeah, it is dry, and all I just have to do is just pull out those stems, and it's a beautiful green. You know, when you just grind it, and the powder does the soap very well. And this is the moringa. The moringa is actually crispy, so just have to pull out those stems from the leaves. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with everything, though I just had so many hours of drying the chaya spinach. I've learned it the hard way. Yeah, and this is the spearmint. The spearmint is very dry. Yes, as you can see. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.